Hi, in this video we are going to see some of the Java operators. First we will see modulus operator. Let us declare a variable I of type integer, I equal to 10 modulus 2. So modulus operator works this way. 10 will be divided by 2 and the remainder will be the result of this operation, and that remainder will be stored in I. Okay, so let us print the value of I now. Value of I. Run this code and see the output. Value of I 0. Okay, so modulus operator works this way. That is, 10 is divided by 2, and the remainder of this operation is the result of this operation. So that is stored in I, which is 0 here. Okay, so now let us see another operator, increment operator. We can use increment operator in two ways. One way is pre-increment. Let us declare a variable j which is of type integer. J is equal to plus I. In this case, the I value will be incremented by 1, then the result will be stored in j. Okay, so let us print this j also. Let us print this. Let us run this code. Value of j is 1 now. Okay, so we can do it in different way. That is, another way of using the increment operator is post increment. That is, j equal to I plus plus. In this case, the I value first is stored assigned to j. I value is assigned to j first, then I will be incremented. So in this case, see the value of j. So I value is 0, so it is assigned to j. After assigning, the j I value will be incremented. It is called post increment. Let's print the I value also here. Let's run this code and see the output. So initially value of I is 0, then afterwards we are assigning value of I to j, then post increment. So value of j is also 0, then value of I is now 1. Okay, so this is pre-increment and post-increment. We will see one more operator called ternary operator. See how it works. I declare a variable string. Okay, string is equal to. So what I'm going to do is I compare the value of I against 0. If I is equal to 0. Then a question mark. If it is equal to 0, then I have value even. Then colon, I have value odd. So it works this way. So let me put a semicolon after this statement. First expression I equal to 0, that is evaluated. If it is if I equal to 0, if I is equal to 0, then this expression is evaluated as true. If it is true, then even the even value even is assigned to yes. Else the odd, the after colon we have odd. The value odd is assigned to yes. So ternary operator works this way. That is, first the expression is evaluated. If it is true, then expression after question mark is assigned to the variable yes. Else the expression after colon will be assigned to yes. Let us print the yes value also. In this case, since when you divide 10 by 2, the remainder is 2, remainder is 0, so the 0 is assigned to I, so I value is now I value is 0. But here after, let us comment this line number 11. Okay, so now see, I value is 0 now, so it will be printed even value of I. No, we will see value of yes, we print yes. Okay, so s will be even in this case, right? Let us comment this also. So let us run this code and see the output. So see the output, value of s is even. Now we will change the line number 7. Instead of 10 we will have 11 modulus operator 2. In this case the remainder is 1, so I value 1. So in this case value of s will be odd because remainder is 1, so I is not equal to 0, so it is false now, so odd is assigned to yes. Let us run this code and see the output now. So value of s odd is printed. So in this video we have seen three operators. One is modulus operator, which is actually used to find the remainder after dividing a number by another number. Then we have seen increment operator, pre-increment and post-increment, the difference between the two. Then we have seen the ternary operator.